Welcome back, Megabytes teachers. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to download, install, and set up Survey123 on your mobile device. At the end of the video, we will review our data to check for any mistakes. Remember, you only use Survey123 one time with your students when you initially set out your OVA traps. I'll be using an iOS device for this recording, but Survey123 works the same way on Android. Let's get started. Using your mobile device, log into your App Store. Search for Survey123. It will be an app from Esri and currently has a green logo. When the app is finished downloading, launch the app. You will need to log into the app before you can start collecting data. Look for a hamburger icon and choose Sign In. Type in TGA as the URL, short for Tennessee Geographic Alliance. Next, you will need to enter your TGA ArcGIS Online username and password. The usernames have been emailed to you as a PDF. I do not know what your passwords are, but if you have forgotten, you can click on the Reset Password option and follow those instructions. Notice my initials are now visible in the corner of the screen. Once you are logged in, you will need to download the Megabytes 2020 OVA Trap Location Survey. Click on your initials in the top corner and choose Download Surveys. You likely won't have as many surveys as I do, but just in case, search for Mega and it should provide only the ones we care about for this project. Be sure to click on the 2020 OVA Trap Survey with the Aedes aegypti mosquito and the green background. Now it is time to collect the locations of the 10 OVA traps around your school. To launch the survey, click on the 2020 Megabytes OVA Trap Survey, the one with the green background. I'll demonstrate and explain each question in the survey using my web browser. To launch the survey, click on the 2020 survey with the green background. I'll demonstrate and explain each question in the survey. The data collection year is set to the current year by default. Next, choose your school name. The schools are listed with middle schools at the top of the list and high schools at the bottom of the list. Within each category, the schools are listed alphabetically. After choosing your school name, a list of teacher last names at the school will appear. You will not see any other teachers' names except those at the selected school. For instance, choosing Soddy Daisy provides only one option, but choosing Bearden Middle provides two options. Next, select the trap number between 1 and 10. Click on the date and time questions and it will default to the current date and time automatically. The next question will ask for the location of the trap. Location services will need to be turned on for your smartphone. Click on the map and it will request location access. Give the phone a minute to find its location. You can click on the small crosshair icon if you need to prompt the survey to find your current location. The remaining questions are related to the conditions around the trap. Choose the primary land cover where the trap is located. Is the trap near water? What amount of shade will the trap receive? If the trap is shaded, you will be prompted to choose what is causing the shade. Take a picture of the trap that includes some of the surrounding area for context. Don't zoom so close into the cup that we can't see the field, forest, or cemetery where you have placed it. Finally, include any notes or comments that you think are necessary. Once you have filled in the survey, click on Submit. You will be prompted to record the location and complete the survey for the next OVA trap. Once you are finished collecting all 10 locations, You should open the results on a computer and make sure they are in the correct location. I'll demonstrate that process next. Using the web browser on your computer, navigate to survey123.arcgis.com. Log in using your TGA username and password. You should see a list of the surveys you have access to. For most of you, that will be the 2019 and 2020 Megabytes surveys. Click once on the Megabytes 2020 Ovitrap Location Survey with an Aedes aegypti mosquito and the green background. Click on Data. Zoom the map into your school and make sure the points are in the correct location and that none of the points are missing. Please click on each point and make sure that it has the correct school name, teacher name, and trap number. If one of your points is in the wrong location, some of your points are missing, or the survey itself contains mistakes that need fixed, contact me and I'll help you sort out the issues. Thanks for following along.